Hello viewers, welcome to Healthcare IT. In this video I will show you how to download and install Windows 10 complete process of Windows 10 official version. So let's begin. Open any browser and type in search bar download Windows 10 and choose the first website of result. That's Microsoft, www.microsoft.com, and just click on it and scroll down a little bit. And click on the create Windows 10 installation media. Just press on download now, and you can see the download process is started. I also downloaded, so just skip it. Here is the media downloader. Just open it for install. And here you can see that disclaimer for install it. So what you have to do, you just scroll down, there is nothing, just click on accept. And there you can see getting a few things ready. Just wait a little bit here. And here you can see update PC now or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. So in my case I use my pendrive for create installation media, and just select the language, version, the architecture of our PC, if it's 32 bits or 64 bits. So I am for 64 bits, and just leave. There is two options, one is USB flash drive or one is ISO. I'm just working for USB flash drive, and here you can see in my PC I just enter my drive. This is the drive I want to download my installation media or set up my installation media, and just refresh, and here you can see the drive attached. Just simply select it and click on next, and here you can see the downloading process has started. So after complete the download and installation media in your pen drive, just dock it to your PC and turn it on and press F10 or F12 or F2 or eject key as your device required for open boot menu. And here you can see in the boot menu you select the installation media drive. So here I select my drive. So here you can see the first interface for the setup. So here you have to select the language. I just leave it default because I don't want much more customization it here. So just simply click on next, and then here you have to click on install now. Then you can see setup is starting. So here they are asking for a product key, so just simply click on I don't have a product key and select the edition you want to install in your PC. In my case I select Windows 10 Pro because Pro is the best performance for Windows, I think. So here the disclaimer of installation Windows 10 Pro, just click on accept terms and conditions and click on next. So now one thing, here you must have to click on custom installation, then select the partition where you want to install, you understand, and just format it. If you have no partition, just main C every partition in one, so just simply format it and install. You can separate your partition after installation, so there is nothing to do. Just here you can see the installation process has started, installing window. So here just wait a little bit or much more. It's just taking time as your PC I just speed up a little bit at here, so it should take much more time as your PC configuration. So don't worry about it, just wait and see what happened. So here you can see installation process is almost done. So now it's booting. Here you can see Windows 10 logo also appeared. And let's see what happened, because it is the first time I test in my PC. Just click on Windows 10 and see what happened. Let's waiting for it. So it's again booting up, and let's see what happened, what's going on. There you can see just a moment, and just wait a moment and see what happened with our PC. It's take much more time here. I just speed up a video, but in your case it will take some time. So here you can see, let's start the rezone. Is this right? So I just, in my case, I select United States because I live in United States or US. So here is the keyboard. Just click on setup, and let's connect you to a network. What? I don't have internet right now. I have, but I'm lying at here. So just click on I have an internet connection and continue. So here the username and password. So here type your username and make a size Oscar ID, create password. So here you can type any password you want. Just make a side. See, I just here, and they're asking for a security question and answer. Just use any security question you want. Wasted time. What asking again and again for security question? It's terrible here. So choose your privacy setting for your device. Here everything is fine, just click on accept. Nothing is need to be, and click on accept. So here you can see, hi, we are getting everything ready for you. Wow, they're saying us that we are successfully installed instance. So what, this might take several minutes. What, we can wait several minutes at here. Okay, just through nothing and wait. Let's see what happened. Just take 1 or 2 minutes, or sometimes it taken longer than 5 minutes, but just wait it here. Do not turn off your PC. It's a warning. If you turn off your PC, then your Windows installation process will be dumped. So almost there. You can see this. Oh wow! We are successfully installed Windows 10 in our PC. So it's the official version of Windows 10. There is no bugs, there is no pirated version. This is not a pirated version, and there is no malware, spyware, everything. If you download Windows from the torrent, so everything is fine and cute. So let's shut down PC. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe our channel if you get a little bit help from us. So there is the file manager, this PC, and you can see our local drive C and D. Sorry. And you can see Microsoft Office, the applications. So now simply switch off the PC, shut down.